ये सारे लोग जो थे ये नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के दुश्मन नहीं थे। इवन अबू सुफियान, कितनी कितनी तकलीफें पहुंची इन लोगों के हाथों आपको, लेकिन जब आपने माफ कर दिया तो कैसा कैसा फैज भी पहुंचा इन लोगों से। यानी दीन इस्लाम को तरक्की भी कैसे हुई। अना का मसला ना बनाई।
Assalamu alaikum. I was thinking that if we remember that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is ultimately in control of harming us and benefiting us. And people, things, times, they're only a means, right? They're not the source. So the person who hurt you today can also benefit you tomorrow, because the person is not the source of hurt and benefit, right? That gain and loss is actually coming from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Bi-iznillah.
Exactly. The person is only a means. So likewise the place will also be a means. And if we live like this, remembering that Allah is the one who is in control,